Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll go through step by step on how to create this landing page for free in less than 15 minutes. Recently, I discovered Card and I found the platform is super easy to use for non-coders like myself, and all the templates are mobile optimized, which is great for user experience if you are running a business. Card website is card.co. When you visit the site, you have the option to select a template and start working on your site straight away by choose a starting point, or you can scroll down to see what Card is about if you are interested. So I just want to go through quickly what is Card. Card helps you create simple, free, and fully responsive one-page sites for pretty much anything. And if you have a free account, you can create up to 3 sites for free. So why should you pay for a pro account? For pro account, you can plug in your customized domain and you won't have the Made with Card branding at the bottom of your page, although the branding is quite small and faint, so I didn't think that it affected the user experience that much when I used the free account. Another benefit of Pro account is that you can embed forms and add Google Analytics to track the traffic to your site. Pro account costs $19 per year, which I think is still a lot cheaper than Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress. Although I do want to note that Card is a good alternative for landing page if you want to collect leads or give people instructions on where to go. But if you want to build a blog with multiple posts, I would recommend you to use other platforms. Here are multiple templates that you can start with. Go with the one without the pro tag if you want to create a free site. You can go through the demo of each template to select the one that you like best. Or you can even create from scratch if you have an eye for design. I don't, so I will just stick to the template. Today we're creating a site for a photography business. This is a fully made up business, so I think this template would look great for it. So if you click into these buttons, it looks like it takes you to a different page on the website, but they're actually just different sections on one page. This is how the back end looks like. You can see now all the sections are laid out on just one single page, separated by dashed line. Card uses anchor links to navigate users to each designated section marked by these dashed lines to create an illusion of multiple pages, which I think is very cool. Alright, let's get started. First, I will start with the background. Click on the 3 parallel lines on the top right corner of your screen. Select background. Then change the style from color to image. I want it to be an image instead of solid color. Then you can resize the image. I would recommend you to choose a landscape photo. I find that works best for background image. With the new background, the text color is now harder to read, so I'm going to add a dark overlay. So you can scroll down to the bottom and I will select color as overlay. And you can slide this bar up and down for the transparency of your overlay. Once you think it looks good, then just hit done. Next, I will add a display picture. I'll show you how you can drag the photo in as well. Next, I'll change the text underneath hello. You just need to click once into the text area and then the style bar will pop up on the side. I had my own text that I just scribbled down quickly before filming this. I'm just going to go ahead, copy and paste the text section in. Next, for the work section, I'll leave the text as the same, but I'll just add in some photos. Here again, you can just click into the section and the style bar will pop up. Select the paintbrush. That's where you can adjust the sizing of your photos. Once you're ready, then you just hit the images on the left and you can start uploading your photos. I just want to quickly note that this is my second take for this section. The first time I recorded it, all of the photos had square frames for some reason, so I decided to redo it. So this section might look slightly different in other recordings later in the video. I want to make sure that this time it looks similar to the template, so I'm just gonna go back and forth between my version and the template to make sure that I have all the photos in the similar format as the template. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. If you want to see how it would look like on your phone, you can select the phone icon on the top right panel. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. I will move on to the About section. For the About section, I'll just leave it as it is. For the Contact section, I want to add in phone number and an email address. Actually, for the phone number and the email address, I want it to be a link text, so you can see the format of the text is slightly different on the left bar. For social media icons, I'm going to remove the ones that I don't have. Also, I just realized that there is already an email icon, so I'm going to remove my email address under the Contact section. Since this is a landing page, I want to add a call to action, and call to action will be for people to check out my YouTube. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to add another section. In cart, it's called control. So you want to add a section break, and now I will call it YouTube. Then I move it to be above the footer. Next, I want to embed a video from my YouTube channel. And I want to take away the controls and add in autoplay. You can change the starting time as well. Then I'll add in a text to ask people to check out my YouTube channel. You want to make sure that the new texts are in similar format to the section above. So just copy and paste the color number and the font size. My YouTube channel is not actually about wedding photography, but I just want to show you guys this is something you can do. Next, because this is a new section, you will need to add in the navigation bar to tell people to click onto the button to get to the YouTube page. I'll label it as YouTube, and for the URL section, you just put in hashtag YouTube as what you name the section. And I want to resize the navigation bar just to make sure everything is on one line. And resize the YouTube video just to make it look a bit bigger. Once your site is ready, you can just hit the little disc on the top panel and type in the name of your page, the description, and if it's a free account, your website will end with card.co. So I'm just going to name it Hannah Photography for now. Then select publish to a card.co URL. And then now your website is publishing. It should take about 10 to 15 seconds. And that is how you create a landing page in less than 15 minutes. I hope you guys find the video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!